In this video, I'm going to show you how I modernized an old washing machine to make it completely smart. Thanks to this project, it can now be controlled remotely, either via Wi-Fi using a local access point or directly from the internet. Originally, this washing machine was broken because its mechanical timer had stopped working. Instead of throwing it away or buying the same part again, I decided to remove the old manual timer and replace it with a smart system that I designed, assembled, and programmed entirely myself. So, what's inside this smart timer? It relies on two main components: a 2-channel relay module. This acts as a power switch to reverse the motor's direction of rotation. A NodeMCU, ESP8266. This is the machine's true brain. This is the microcontroller that I programmed. It can generate its own Wi-Fi access point to receive our commands, or connect to the home network to become accessible from anywhere on the internet. After removing the old timer, I analyzed the internal wiring to identify the common wire and the two wires that control the motor's direction. I connected these to the relay outputs, then linked the control inputs to the NodeMCU. For power, everything is powered by an old 5 volts, 1A phone charger, tapped directly into the machine's main power supply. A crucial safety step, given the humid environment. I carefully insulated each electronic component in waterproof and airtight enclosures before reassembling everything inside the chassis. To control everything, I developed a web interface in the form of a captive portal. It allows you not only to start the machine live, but also to schedule complete cycles. You can choose a specific day, an exact time, and define the wash duration. Look at this example. The machine was programmed to start on Saturday at a specific time. As soon as the clock reaches the exact minute, the NodeMCU takes over completely autonomously. It manages the alternating left and right rotation, incorporating a pause time to protect the motor. And here's the result.